Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input attributes, and right now we'll be discussing about the placeholder attribute in the HTML input element. The input placeholder attribute specifies a short int that describes the expected value of an input field, a sample value, or a short description of the expected format. The short int is displayed in the input field before the user enters a value. So quickly, let me show you how this works quickly. I don't want to read this more further, but wait, let me read it further. The placeholder attribute works with the following input types of text: type of search, type of search, type of URL, type of text, type of email, and the type of password. So that's what I want to specify. Well, that's what I want to tell you right here. It works with input type of text, type of search, URL, tel, email, and the password. So that's where you can use the placeholder attribute. So quickly back to our document. As you can see in our previous tutorial, we are having this. If you have been following me along, you can skip this if you don't want to hear this. HTML input attribute playlist is where we are right now for the newcomers. You can check our playlist for all these type of input attribute that we have specified so far, and also we have discussed about the HTML from HTML input types playlist. Also, you can check our playlist also for different type of input types you need, and you see we have a lot of it in our playlist. So quickly, let's get going. Back to our document. What do we need? We need another attribute, but we need a new placeholder. Let me show you how it works quickly. Let's just use input right here, but firstly let me break our page so it can look nice. Br times 2. So when I give it br times 2, it will break our page 2 times, right? So, and also let's give it placeholder. Let's give it placeholder. Let's no, let's give it label. When we give it label, we can write placeholder. Is placeholder we are here to talk about, right? So when I write this, we can write placeholder attribute, right? Attribute. So when we specify that, you can just, and because this is what we are here to talk about, so quickly let's give it an input type of text, right? You can use it in it. So we don't need all this for now. So quickly let's save our document. Let's see how our input type of text looks first. So as you can see, we are seeing this placeholder attribute, right? And we can write anything inside our input type of text, right? But one thing, the funniest part of it is that when we use the placeholder, when we specify a value inside the placeholder, let's write placeholder attribute and specify a value. Let's say we want to use this to to collect a country code. So let's write country code there and reload our document. Let's see. Can you see automatically the country code is showing inside our inside our input text. Then when we want to write our country, we can write +234 Nigeria country code. As you can see, it disappears automatically. And also when we delete to show there. So let's say we want to use this for pin code. Also can use it for pin code. Can you see? Can use it for, as you can see, whatever, just to guide our users on what to place inside our input element right here. That's why we are using. Let's say we have other things right here that we haven't specified something like that there. You can just, like this one, we are having multi attribute or clinical, anything we are having. Let's say for instance now we are having one like this one at the bottom right here. We are having this input type of email. Quickly let's get there. Let's check it. I purposely leave this topic right here so that we can be able to use it later. Let's give it a placeholder. Now then when we give it placeholder, enter, let's just write enter your email. So when we specify this inside our placeholder, is going to help the user. It's going to guide them. Can you see? Now we are having enter your email, and the user can write info. You understand? Info at as you can see, it's nice, and when we delete it also, it still remain there. So that is benefit of using the placeholder itself. So, and as again, the next use case of it is that when, let's say for instance I want to use this with, let's break this. No, let's go to the top. We are at the top right here. So quickly, the other use case of it is that, let's say for instance now, let's break this place. I'll purposely break it because I want it to I want to write something that will long, and I don't want our page to look rough. So quickly, inside this page we need somebody to put anything from 2 to 8. So and then we just want 3 of it. Let's say we just want 3. So let's save our document, and also let's give it title again also, because this is working with this title is very good when you specify. Let's say 3 pin code needed from 2 to 8. So let's reload our document. Now when we want to write something, let's say we write, let's try to submit it. Can you see we are saying please match the requested format with 3 pin code needed for from 2 to 8. So definitely we need 3, we need from 2 to 8. Definitely we can specify something like 1 2 3. When we press enter, it will work. As you can see, it's working. As you can see, our placeholder is still remain there, just to tell us that this is for pin code. This is pin code input. So that's the benefit of using the placeholder. It will guide us that we have to put our pin code here, right here. So when we even let's say we change it to phone number, also phone number, you are going to see it's going to display phone number. Can you see? So and you can place your phone number. So that's the benefit of using the placeholder. It will help us guide our users. That's the benefit of using it. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next tutorial. Have a great